Welcome to today's video. Wood slices are incredibly versatile and can be used to craft stunning ornaments, centerpieces, and more. We will explore some delightful ideas to incorporate rustic wood slices into your Christmas decorations. Let's get started. Rustic wood slice ornament with plaid bow. Use a live edge wood slice, wooden beads, and a plaid bow to create a charming ornament. It's a quick and easy project that adds a cozy vibe to your tree. Yarn wrapped tree slice ornament. Wrap green yarn around a wood slice to form a Christmas tree design. This simple craft is great for kids and adults alike. Rustic snowman ornament. Stack wood slices to create a snowman, complete with a plaid scarf and stick arms. This adorable decoration will delight everyone. Branch slice snowman set. Craft several snowmen using branch slices and display them as ornaments or part of a rustic centerpiece. Chopboard Christmas ornaments. Paint wood slices with chopboard paint, add holiday messages, and hang them with striped twine for a customizable decor piece. Snowflake and geometric wood burn ornaments. Use wood burning tools to create intricate snowflake and geometric tree designs on your wood slices. These make elegant and artistic decorations. String art tree ornaments. Create string art on branch slices in festive designs, such as trees or stars. These rustic yet modern pieces bring a warm touch to your decor. Wood-burned snowflake ornaments with evergreens. Add sprigs of evergreen and wooden beads to wood-burned snowflake designs for a natural and festive touch. Modern black, gray, and white ornaments. Paint wood slices in modern colors and add chic designs like bears or monograms for a bold, stylish look. Hand-painted ornaments. Paint your wood slices with classic holiday motifs like snowmen, stockings, or deer to personalize your tree. Burned and painted wood slice designs. Combine wood burning and painting techniques to create rustic mountain or wildlife-themed ornaments. Calligraphy ornaments. Write holiday phrases on wood slices in traditional Christmas colors, red, green, black, and white, for a timeless look. Gilded-edged snowflake ornaments. Add metallic edges to your wood slices and paint delicate snowflakes for a rustic yet glamorous feel. Black and white tree ornaments. Use stickers or paint to create minimalist black and white tree designs on your wood slices. adorned ornaments. Glue small clovers onto wood slices for a unique, nature-inspired decoration that fits a rustic Christmas theme. Evergreen and plaid adorned ornaments. Pair plaid patterns with small evergreen sprigs and wooden beads on your wood slices for a cozy and inviting look. Wildlife-inspired ornaments. Hand-paint animals like moose, bears, and birds onto wood slices for a whimsical woodland touch. String art with colorful yarn. Use bright yarns for string art designs on wood slices, creating fun, artistic decorations. Playful tree slice ornaments. Add cheerful printed bows, wooden beads, and letters to your wood slices for a whimsical holiday look. Bell and string art ornament. Decorate a wood slice with string art, small bells, and fall leaves for a charming craft project that's perfect for your tree. And there you have it, creative and charming ways to use wood slices in your Christmas decor. These ideas are not only simple, but also add a cozy and natural touch to your home. Which of these ideas will you try this holiday season? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.